How good is ballistics gel at being stabbed? Okay, it might be rather surprising because they say this is just like flesh, but it's actually pretty resistant to being stabbed. So if I stab it, I can stab it, but if I just drop my knife on it, watch this. It just bounces right off. It just bounces. That's nuts. Or, here's the gas station Katana. When I swing at this thing, it doesn't really even cut. Let's try a little harder swing. So as you can see, ballistics gel is very resilient to being stabbed. It does cut pretty decent, so if you just take it and slide it, you know, you can cut a chunk out. But as far as stabbing or just swinging, man, this stuff is pretty intense. And I have sharpened this with just a kitchen knife sharpener, so it is decently sharp. Okay guys, so as you can see, ballistics gel is very resistant to being stabbed or cut. If you have any other thoughts on that, or if you ever tried to cut ballistics gel, put it in the comments section below. As always guys, thank you for watching.